Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Reign. Reign means hold royal office. For example, Queen Elizabeth reigns over the UK. Queen Elizabeth reigns over the UK. Synonyms: ruling, regnant, be king.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The underdogs reigned supreme as stars succumbed to fatigue. Now, repeat after me. The underdogs reigned supreme as stars succumbed to fatigue. The second exemplar. Captains used to reign supreme, questioning their judgment handicapped career advancement. Now, repeat after me. Captains used to reign supreme, questioning their judgment handicapped career advancement. The third exemplar. Browns and copper colors reign supreme, and the image radiates warmth. Now, repeat after me. Browns and copper colors reign supreme, and the image radiates warmth.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Scraunched is the longest English word with one syllable, along with the archaic word, strengthened. Scraunch is the sound your car makes on gravel.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.